Which machine is a function? The orderly vending machine or that unpredictable claw machine? You've got 5 seconds. Go. Time's up. The vending machine wins because every button or input gives exactly one snack or output. Welcome to the world of functions. In the next few minutes, you'll learn what a function really is, how to read f of x like a pro, and how to spot or build functions in everyday life. Think of a function as a special machine. Feed it an input number, and it cranks out exactly one output number every single time. On a graph, we call this the vertical line test. If any vertical line touches your graph more than once, your machine is broken because one x is spitting out multiple y's. Here's a real-life example. At the pump, gallons are your input x. Multiply by the price per gallon and voila, the cost y. Different cars may buy 5 or 15 gallons, but each amount maps to one clear price. We're converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. Plug in 0 degrees Celsius, and you always get 32 degrees Fahrenheit. That formula, y equals 1.8x plus 32, gives one fixed temperature for each Celsius value every time. Functions show up in tech too, like your GPS. Enter a location, and with the same settings and conditions, it gives you the same fastest route. Same start, same route, it's consistent, like all good functions. Want to check your progress? Tap the link for a quick practice test and a concise study guide tailored to this lesson. Quiz yourself, skim the highlights, and jump back in. Next, let's look at how mathematicians write this idea. They use y equals f of x, where x is independent and y depends on whatever x decides to be. Evaluate it like a pro. If f of x equals 2x plus 1, then f of 5 means double 5 plus 1 or 11. One input, one answer, no surprises. This is why functions are so useful in coding and science. You always know what output to expect from your input. Additionally, different inputs can land on the same output. 4 and -4 both square to 16. That's allowed because the rule for each single input is still crystal clear. Once you're comfortable with single functions, you can go further by combining them into a new one, a process called composition. For example, if one function converts inches to centimeters and another calculates area, chaining them lets you go straight from inches to metric area in one smooth step. Quick rewind. A function is a dependable rule. 1x, 1y. Spot it in graphs, prices, or temperature conversions, and you'll never be fooled by a faulty machine. Now that you've watched the video, let's see how much you remember. Head to the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.